Lincoln?
Helen?
What a lovely coincidence. Very serendipitous.
What are you specimens up to?
Oh, quite a lot.
Reasonable amount of unspecified things.
Gentlemen,
What's happening, Jess?
just taking my boat for a drive.
Nice.
Attention. The National Weather Services in New Zealand has issues a tornado warning. We all allowed people to go to underground now. If you have a basement, get supplies to keep with you. If there's no basement, go to the middle of your house with all walls protecting. Also, there is a hailstorm warning and thunderstorm watch. Please listen to your radio for more information. Seek shelter now.